Want to sell homes quicker? It starts with a clean slate. When potential buyers step into a home, they should feel the warmth and welcome of a pristine environment. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they look their absolute best. Our professional team knows that a clean home doesn't just look good, it sells faster. Realtors, imagine how much smoother your showings will go when buyers walk into a spotless space, free of distractions. Plus, our flexible scheduling and quick turnarounds mean you can count on us to get the job done just before those crucial open houses or buyer visits. Here's a quick tidy tip. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on those lights. A bright, inviting atmosphere can make all the difference in how buyers perceive a space and helps them envision their future there. Choosing TidyTex means choosing reliability and excellence for your listings. For more details on how we can transform your properties and elevate your sales game, check the video description. Let's make your listings shine and close those deals faster today.